Hello, this is Francis McShane here, and in this video I'm going to show you the use of the new web dialog for WinDoor Plus, which is part of the WinDoor Plus suite of programs. When you've installed WinDoor Plus, the latest version, you get this little icon appearing, and that's the icon that does what we need. So we'll just click on that, and it brings up this web dialog. And this allows you to size your window. It's in meters at the moment. We could actually put it into feet and inches if you like. I'll just do that, in fact. So if we go to Windows, Model Info, switch to Architectural, that puts it into feet and inches. So this is for our American friends and anybody who likes feet and inches. So we'll click on it again. As you see, it comes up with the feet and inches symbols, this allows you to size the window, as I said. So maybe you want to make the window 3'6" by 4 feet, whatever, 4 feet 8 maybe, and that's an okay frame size. So we'll okay that, and you can then in this tell you what, I'll just go back. So I jumped a bit quickly there. Click on it again. We'll make it 3'6" by 4 feet 8. And I just accepted the profile width. And what do I do now is I click to continue. That's because if I click on this, you see I get a wee warning coming up, which is telling me that if you are happy with the overall window dimensions, click when done to enable you to commence dividing the window. So what it's telling me is I have to click this button in order to start dividing up the window. So now I've got my window overall size fixed. I can click to continue, and this lets me basically divide this window into individual casements. And it's got 42 inches wide, so I suppose 21 inches wide would be half of it. So try that, 21 inch. And as you can see, you've got a casement now 21 inches wide and 21 inches wide by 56 high. That was 4 feet, which is 48 inches plus 8 inches, which brings you up to 56. And you might want to divide it horizontally as well, so you can just click on horizontal, and you could split it in two again. 56, the half of 56 is 25 plus 3 is 28 inches. So we'll make that 28. Or you could, in fact, you could make it 2 feet and 4 inches, couldn't you? 2 feet, 4 inches. It's also 28 inches. And it's in horizontal, yep. And then if you want to divide 2, you have to switch casements to 2 and do it again. So you've got basically a symmetrically divided window there. But you can divide it in a different way, and I'll show you that in a second. First of all, I'll just show you how to turn these fixed casements into opening casements. So start with one, and we'll turn that into an opening casement. You see the edges got a bit fatter, showing that it's an opening casement. We'll make 2 an opening casement as well. So you click here on the select casement by number button, select 2, click on opening, and as you can see that made that an opening casement as well. We'll just pop it into our model here, and that's it. You've got your window. I just Control Z that, because what I want to show you is, and this time we'll do it in meters. We'll go for decimal meters, yeah, and okay that. And what it's called this time, you can see it's in meters, and so we'll set the overall size maybe 1.65 wide by 1.35, and I think the frame size isn't bad. Maybe make it slightly wider, 0.65. And another way of dividing it up is literally kind of by eye. So you can just use your cursor to divide it up. So you can just click. And then if you want to divide this frame, just make sure your cursor is inside that frame. If you want to divide this frame, make sure your cursor is inside that frame. switch to horizontal, and we'll split this one maybe here. And I think you get the idea. That's dividing. It's just another way of dividing the casements up. And again, we'll turn casements 1 and 3 into opening lights. Just select casement number 3, make it an opening light. And we'll see what that looks like then in SketchUp. And there you go. And this window is perfectly standard window plus window. Take it up to the line there. And you can edit that in with the usual edit commands. So if I click on edit window, maybe you want to just add a sill, we'll just do that. Just accept the defaults. There you have a sill. If you want to cut it into the wall, you know, make it cut through the wall, you can do that as well. Cut opening. I think the wall is actually 300 thick, so we'll just change that. Just okay that. And as you can see, it's just your usual window plus window. I hope you enjoy using it. I hope it makes the WinDoor Plus suite a lot nicer for you to use, and that you'll be designing very nice proportions in your windows. Thanks for watching.